Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as the owner of a Google partner company. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is, does changing target locations in a live ad campaign impacts anyhow for Google Ads? I think you also shared your picture. Now this is the picture. Campaign overview, app eligible, installed. You are running app install campaign and okay, so you're getting conversion rate. Okay, so this is it. So yeah, if you're asking me, does changing target locations in a live ad campaign impacts? Yeah, actually what happens is that whenever you change locations, Google do a refresh on your targeting locations, and your reach and everything goes. So you may suddenly see some downfall in conversions for 1 to 2 days before it starts going back up and running. So what I suggest, in case if it's a major change, you can copy and paste to another campaign and do changes on it. But if it was a running campaign and you suddenly have to do changes on locations, I personally do not recommend doing it, because this can also make your campaign go into under review, and you may have to wait several hours or possibly a day or two before you start seeing traffic again, and then that traffic will be untargeted, and then it may take further 1 to 2 days more to get your targeted traffic back again. So yeah, it's a time taking procedure, so which is why I do not recommend changing on target locations on live ad campaigns, because this can affect your campaigns and the conversions for sometimes, but again it can be a small effect. So yeah, I hope this answers your question. So yeah, thank you for watching. But still, in case if you have any question left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. And guys, if you're looking for a professional help with Google Ads, audit, setup, and management, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us, and we can help you create an awesome Google Ads campaign. So yeah, once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.